Alright guys, so to start, let's open up idle, which is the Python shell, and we'll click File, New File. Now we can start writing our program. Dictionaries in Python are data structures that use keys and values. They are very similar to dictionaries in real life. We can see a key as a word and the value as a definition of that word. We will create a dictionary called President USA. We'll say equals, open curly bracket, and underneath we'll write the keys and the values of that dictionary. Our first key will be called president name. We'll say colon, and now we'll write the value of that key. So the value will be Donald Trump. Once we've written our key and our value, we'll say comma, and now we'll write our next key and value. We'll say hair color, colon, we'll write the value of that, blonde, comma again, and our last key will be favorite quote, colon, and the value of that key will be build the wall, which is a very good American accent. And then we'll close curly brackets. So now we have a dictionary with 3 keys and 3 values. We can find the value of a specific key. So to list Donald Trump's favorite quote, we can say print presidentusa.get and then type in the key value within the brackets. Let's run our program. Make sure you save it. And as you can see, the value of the key favorite quote is build the wall. I'm going to delete this. We can print all the keys of our dictionary by saying print the dictionary name, which is presidentusa.keys, brackets. Let's run our program. And now this will print all the keys within our dictionary. As you can see, the key values are not ordered. We can print all the values within our dictionary by swapping out the word keys with values. Let's run our program. And as you can see, it's printed all the values within our dictionary. We can print all the keys and their values with a for loop. So we can say for key, comma, value in dictionary name, which is presidentusa.items, colon, and then we'll say print key, comma, value. Let's run our program. And as you can see, it's printed the keys and their respective values. Finally, we can update one of the values of our keys within our code. To do so, type in the dictionary name, which is President USA, and then we'll use the update function to do this. So we'll say .update, open brackets, open curly brackets, and type in the key name. So we'll say favorite quotes, colon, and then type in the new value of the key. Let's say pizza is great. We'll close our brackets. Let's print that key. Run our program. And as you can see, it's changed the key value from build the wall to pizza is great. So this concludes dictionaries in Python. I've covered the main functions of dictionaries, but if you would like to see all the functions, just visit the link down in the description below and you can just experiment with them. If you liked the video, please subscribe and I hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.